Hi boys and girls, today we are going to do language lesson 145 and we're going to continue working on what we were working on yesterday. So to start, please get your worksheets and we are going to start with page 262 and we're going to work on Think B. So I'm going to put the worksheet in the projector, make sure that you grab it while I do that so we could work on it together. Okay, so yesterday, this is page 262, and yesterday we were talking about utilizing the right word according to the meaning of the sentence. So we're gonna continue this for Think B, write C, and remember D. So let's do this together. On Think B, it says, if the idolized word is used incorrectly, draw a neat line through the word and put the correct word in the blank. If the idolized word is correct, you're gonna write correct in the blank to the left. So here are the blanks, this first column, and we have the sentence to the right. So we are gonna see what the idolized word is, and if we think it's correct, we would write on this line correct. If the word is not correct, then we're gonna write whatever word is supposed to be on this line. So let's look at the first sentence. So the first sentence says, the contest ended in a tie between Amy and Emily. And if we go back to yesterday, we had 2 words per each. So if we go back to yesterday, on page 261, it said between or among. So we had those group of 2 words. Between, that it meant when dealing with only 2 people or things, and then among when dealing with more than 2. So because it says the contest ended in a tie between Amy and Emily, the word between, do you think that is used correctly, or instead of saying between, it should be among? So if we read the sentence, the word between, it is correct. So on the side here, on the line that is provided to us, we are going to write correct, okay? On number 2, less students tried out for the play this year than expected. So the word that is italicized is less. And if we go back to the page yesterday, we have less that is used when dealing with an amount, and we have fewer that is used when dealing with a number of definite or countable objects. So in this case, the word less is not used correctly, so the correct word that we should use should be fewer. Okay? Number 3, Robin Hood can shoot an arrow straighter than anyone in all of England, said Little John. So for the word can, this is used the correct way, so we will write correct. Okay? So what you have to do is the words that are idolized, if you forgot what the meaning of them are, look on the page from yesterday, page 261, and you have the meaning of the word, and if that's not the correct, then you will use the other one that is provided for you on page 261. Let's go over to 4. What number of arrows hit the bull's eye? So the word that is used is number. Is that correct? Remember, it was amount or number. So because they are countable, like you could count the arrows, the number is correct. So that would be correct. Number 5, between all the archers, only Robin Hood hit the exact center of the target. So the word that they use is between. So between, among. Which one do you think is the correct one? And between is not correct, it would be among. Number 6, my parents said that I can go to the zoo with you. So they use the word can. Is that correct, or should it be may? And it is not correct. It should be may. Okay? Number 7, there is less chance of rain today than tomorrow. The word is less. Is that correct? Should it be less or fewer? It is less, so that is correct. Number 8, the Mason-Dixon line is located among Maryland and Pennsylvania. So the word is among or between. And they use among, but it shouldn't be among because you're talking about Maryland and Pennsylvania, so it should be between. Okay? Number 9, no amount of money can buy your way to heaven. So the word is amount. And is that correct? Should it be amount or number? It is amount, so that would be correct. And lastly, number 10. Can you come to my birthday party? The word is can. Should it be can or may you come to my birthday party? And this is not correct. It should be may. So may you come to my birthday party? Okay? Make sure that you guys review this, okay? Like I have said previously, go back to page 261 and review the meanings of the words. Let's continue here. On Write C, read the direction below, write your sentences on notebook paper. So this is for you to do on your own. Write C, you're gonna do it on your own. And remember D, you are going to write the plurals of the following singular nouns. So this part you will do by yourself as well, okay? Okay, so we're gonna start talking today about the thesaurus. Unlike a dictionary, the thesaurus is a book that is going to give you similar words that may mean the same as the word that you're looking for, or words that are opposites, that are antonyms of the words that you are looking for. It does not give you a definition of the word. This is page 263, and we're gonna read this together. So it says here, this room and its occupant are certainly sloppy. Can you think of another word that means the same as sloppy that would describe the scene? So we have this picture and it's a pretty messy room. So they want you to look for another word that means the same as sloppy, but it's not that word. If not, you should use a thesaurus. A thesaurus is a special kind of dictionary that helps you find interesting words to use in your writing. Unlike a dictionary, a thesaurus does not give definitions. Instead, it lists the synonyms and antonyms for a word. So remember, synonyms are words that mean the same or are nearly the same. Antonyms are words that mean the opposite, okay? So the think back is what I just said. Synonym is a word that means the same, and antonym is a word that means the opposite, okay? It says the best known thesaurus was written by Peter Mark Roget, a British physician in 1852. Roget's thesaurus of English words and phrases in various revised versions has been helping writers to find synonyms and antonyms for about 160 years. The good thing about a thesaurus is that it's going to expand your vocabulary. Instead of writing the same words over and over again on your writing whenever you have to do a book report or whenever you have to, come up with a project. Using a thesaurus is going to give you other words, so your papers are not going to be so repetitive. You're going to have the opportunity to use other words. If we turn back of the page on page 264, it says the right meaning. Study the following page from a thesaurus. Notice that the synonyms and antonyms for sloppy are divided into 3 different groups. Since sloppy can be used in different ways, the synonyms and antonyms with similar meanings are grouped together. If you were writing about sloppy weather, you would choose a synonym listed after 1. If you were writing about sloppy room or person, you would choose a synonym listed under 2. If you were writing about how some carpenters did their work, you would choose a synonym listed under 3. The antonyms are listed in the same manner. It is important to choose a synonym or antonym that fits the meaning of your sentence. Use a dictionary to help you find the exact meaning of any unfamiliar words. So if we see the example here, and I know it's difficult to see through the video, but you have this page in front of you, so you should be able to see it clearly. So it says that sloppy is an adjective. So slushy, splashy, wet, watery, spattered, splash, pulpy, sludgy, squashy. Then when you are talking about sloppy but of your appearance or of someone else's appearance, it says messy, slovenly, careless, frowsy, dowdy, tacky, smeary, dirty, untidy. So all these words are synonyms to that, to how something appears to look sloppy. Then of quality, slipshod, third rate, careless, poor, hit or miss, subpar, remiss, substandard. So all those words are synonyms of the word sloppy, depending on how you would use it. If it's an appearance, if you're referring to appearance, if you're referring to quality. And then over here is antonyms. So this here, where it says A-N-T, they're going to be the opposite of sloppy. Okay, and you can see that and read it on your own. So for today, we continue working on what we were doing previously on the right meanings of the word. And now we cover on what a thesaurus is, which is a place where you could find synonyms and antonyms for a particular word. Remember, a thesaurus is not going to give you the meaning of the word. That's what a dictionary is used for. And this is all for today, and I will see you boys and girls tomorrow.